Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm participating in the Spring Easter Fireplace Decor Challenge, hosted by Creatively Miss Me and All Things Shoshana. Links to their channels will be in my description box below. I'm jumping right in with a DIY cross. For this DIY, I used a Dollar Tree cross wreath, 4 packs of rope, hot glue, ribbon, and Dollar Tree florals. I began by taking the rope, gluing it to the end of the cross. Then I weaved the rope in and out of the cross, repeating this pattern over and over again until the entire wreath was covered. I then came in with my Dollar Tree lilies and some ribbon. You see me using the pink ribbon and bunny, but in the end, I decided I wanted a more neutral look for my fireplace mantle. So I changed that pink ribbon to a raffia bow. And I absolutely love the way this DIY came out. So make sure you watch all the way till the end to see how I put together my mantle for spring. I hope this gives you some Easter decorating inspiration. If you liked the video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the family by clicking on that subscribe button and baby, hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.